You man a G was I represent. I tell you no 4 things what we think bad in Jamaica, but if you go Nigeria, Africa, you realize it could have worse. Change out 150 US in a Nigeria. And watch ya. We get 150,000. Number one, the value of the Nigerian dollar weak, my people. Yo, me change out 150 US and get 150,000 naira. Remember, you know, if you change 150 US to Jamaican dollars, you get about 20 grand, you know. You see me? So do the maths, my people. And about I feel like you're rich too, you have 150,000 naira. Because you're going to a supermarket and you hear say, yo, $10,000 for your loaf of bread. Yo, $7,000 for your bottle of juice. Yo, $4,000 for 4 onion. You see me I say? So your money not worth nothing, people. At least, the value of dollar to US in Jamaica is not so bad, so give thanks. Number 2, yo, the banknote them very old people. Some of them so old, we can hardly see the numbers and the letters them on the money. You see me I say? And them still I use them. At least, we have some brand new banknote in Jamaica. Number 3, every day or every other day light going in Nigeria, people. Yo, me did it for about 14 days or so, and trust me. Every day light going, people. Every day. Light go, believe me, no joke. So all of the house them thing like this, generator, backup generator. Right now we are still at Airbnb, yeah? You know what I mean? And this is one of the top community with a lot of government officials, rich businessmen. I remember, you know, Nigeria is a very rich country, you know, with natural resources, oil and gas, so them can basically supply them own power. But light go every day. Something right. In Jamaica now, JPS beat me with light bill. My light bill jumped from 20,000 to all 50 at 60,000. But at least they managed to keep the light on. You know what I mean? At least we don't know everyday power cut. You see me? So sometimes when you travel the world and experience things for yourself first and how other people live and where them go through, you realize, say, alright, when me there, all heap of things need to fix, it's not perfect, but it way better. You see me I say? So, remember, you know, you have to rich if you buy one, you know. So, you know, say the poorer people them in Nigeria, when light go away, them have to just light a candle and sing a song. You know what I mean? That's the reality for them every day. Number 4. Yo, the transportation system in Nigeria is another thing where very different from Jamaica. Alright, so this are like for them yellow bus. Most of the yellow bus them are all of them so old people. Them basically are rotten down, but them still a drive. Sometimes I wonder, oh, them still a drive the way the bus them look on the road, my people. Yo, it's crazy over there. And them little thing you know, the keke, I think they name keke, them are like the road taxi them. So them are compared to the Pro Box them in Jamaica. So you know what I mean? If you want like a road taxi, you have to go jump on one of them things where them call keke. And you don't know, them now no door, them now no window. So rain a fall, you get wet up and then sitting there. You see it? At least in Jamaica, we have the nice JUTC bus them with AC night. And then have the road taxi them way much better than the transportation system in Nigeria. You see me? Yeah, man, my people, so when you travel the world and get to experience where other people are got you and how them live, you realize where you live is so much better. You feel blessed and you just have to give thanks, you see me? Overall, the Nigerian people, them nice and friendly, you see me? Don't know our African brother and sister, them. Yeah, man, know you learned something in another video, yeah. Leave your comment. Anyway, press play upon a G-Wiz song.
Rainy days don't last, God I still love me boss. So make the haters talk, man still like a rise to